Welcome back again. This is your friend Nurse Solution. Let's talk about expired medication. You should be cautious when it comes to expired medication due to potential risk. While most medications don't become toxic after expiration, they can lose their effectiveness and potency or degrade into harmful substances. And apart from that, additionally, keeping expired medications around can lead to accidental ingestion by children or pets or even misuse by others. Do you understand? Proper disposal of expired medication is crucial for safety. Do you understand? And when we're talking about this, let's in this video, let's go or dive into the reasons that you should be cautious with expired medication. Number one is that expired medication, there is reduction in effectiveness. And when we're talking about expired medication, it may no longer work as intended, particularly with medications like antibiotics, like insulin for diabetes, or those used for various chronic conditions. Then, apart from that, there is potential for harmful byproducts. Some medications can break down into harmful compounds over time. If you leave them in the house over time, they can form harmful, they turn into harmful compounds. Then at times there can be risk of bacterial growth. Expired medication can be a breeding ground for bacteria, and this will potentially cause illnesses. Then can be the risk of accidental ingestion. Expired medication can be dangerous if taken especially by children or pets. You understand? Because they don't know whether it's expired or something. Then it can also lead to misuse and abuse of those expired medications. So keeping them around can increase the risk of misuse or illegal abuse of those medications. And of course, there are some of them to safely dispose expired medication. You have to check the label. Some medications have specific disposal instructions. You understand? On the label. But some drug take back, there are some drug take back programs. There are some companies that will say, okay, if it has expired, you can bring them. You understand? In some community, they have various programs that you can safely drop off your expired medication for, unwanted transfer. So maybe the companies to know how to dispose them all of. Then, of course, there are some that you can flush. Certain